You also talk about the importance of meditation. You mentioned Zen in your book, and this is really around strengthening our attention and being able to use those to better capitalize on this information and process this information. Tell us more about that.
We need to have the ability to have our minds look at one thing for a period of time. The default mode network that neuroscientists talk about is that our mind wanders. That is the default mode of our mind. And unless we are specifically focusing our mind is wandering all over the place. And that actually has a function. You know, it is part of the way in which we understand the world, in which we think about our lives and the people around us and what it is we want to do. It is valuable. But to process information, to acquire knowledge, to build understanding, we do need to have focus. And that is being pulled away from us. We're in a world where the largest corporations are spending billions of dollars to hijack our attention and pull it away from us at every moment. And we are succumbing to that. So we do need to have these disciplines of being able to maintain attention for a period of time. One of the most powerful ways, or probably the most powerful way, not the only way, is meditating. And meditating is simply having your attention on one thing, whatever that may be, for a period of time. And unless we are getting our ability to have our attention for one thing on a period of time, then our mind will always be wandering and we will not be able to achieve anything like what it is we could achieve otherwise. So I came to this partly from childhood. I came across the idea of Zen. I thought, oh, this is incredible. And that was one of the reasons I went to Japan. And I ended up living in a Zen dojo for a year, where I lived there and went to my daily job as a financial journalist and meditated twice a day and was part of that community. And one of the aspects of Zen, which I think is particularly relevant, is that distinct from many other forms of meditation, you meditate with your eyes open. And this is in a way you are connected to the world. You are seeing the world. You're not cutting yourself off from it. If there is a fly buzzing on the wall, you know, if the sun is turning gradually, if there's the honking of cars around you, that is experience, that is information, that is part of your connection to the world. So any form of meditation is just simply honing your capacity to pay attention to the one thing for a period of time, an incredibly valuable skill. And just for me, Zen is one which resonates with me, not least because it is about being connected to the world, existing and seeing the world as you sit there.